Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. How are you feeling after Eid? It was a happy Eid for you. Today we are going to read our unit number 6 from the workbook, and our lesson name is the Asian Games. So we will read the comprehension and we will learn what they have told us about the Asian Games. Let's start with the name of Allah. Comprehension. Read the passage. The Asian Games. The largest multi-sport event after the Olympic Games, the Asian Games are held once every 4 years and involves athletes from the different countries in Asia. Okay students, here they have told us two important points. The first thing is this: after the multi-sport, the Olympic Games comes in the Asian Games, and when they held every 4 years, once in every 4 years. Okay, so after the duration of 4 years, once Olympic Games held over all worldwide, and it happens in different countries of the Asia. The Asian Games had its roots in the Far Eastern Games, a gathering of athletes from China, the Empire of Japan and the Philippines Island. 10 such games were held from 1913 to 1934. These games are happening, and from where the participants are including in this game, as they have told us, from the China, from the Empire of Japan and from the Philippines. Okay, and what is the time period? 10 years these games have been held, from 1930 to 1934, after which it was discontinued. Discontinued means then it stopped. You will keep your dictionary with you. If you find any word difficult, you will write the word on the book and you can paste here the mini pages and write down word synonyms. When China withdrew its participation due to dispute with Japan. Dispute means fight. Something bad happened and they both countries fight, and then the games were stopped. It was after World War II that the desire to see some form of sporting competition among the Asian countries came to the fore. Part of this stemmed from the fact that there were now more independent Asian countries. Independent means liberal countries which are totally depending on their own. Okay, liberal, azad Asian countries. The idea of restoring the Far Eastern Games. Restoring means rehabilitation, बहाली, किसी चीज़ को दोबारा से बहाल करना, re-establishment. Restoring the Far Eastern Games was mooted during the Summer Olympics of 1948 held in London, England. After much discussion, it was decided that a totally new competition to be called the Asian Games would be organized. Organized means तंजीम देना, मुनक्कद करवाना, by the newly formed Asian Games would be organized by the newly formed Asian Games Federation. The inaugural means आगाज़ करना. The inaugural event was scheduled to be held in New Delhi in 1950, but problems with the preparations delayed this to 1951. Due to some issues, it was delayed, stopped, paused. Since 1951, there have been 16 editions of the games. In the first games, 489 athletes from the 11 countries participated in 7 sporting disciplines when the games were held in Guangzhou, China in 2010. These numbers had grown to 9,704 athletes from 45 countries participating in 58 sporting disciplines. Slowly and gradually, you can see the number of athletes increased, and on the same way, the number of countries increased. The 17th Asian Games will be held in Incheon, South Korea in 2014. Students, have you seen Olympic Games on the TV? If you have seen, then you can understand this lesson more beautifully. So you can go to the network link, or you can search on YouTube the Olympic Games of Asia. Then you can see how the athletes are organized there and how they are playing the different organized games, so you can understand it more easily. The Asian Games Federation continued to organize the games until 1982, when the Olympic Council of Asia was officially established. Established mean organized और कायम करना, किसी चीज़ को एक जगह पे फिक्स करना. One of its basic principle is to develop the physical and moral qualities that will be gained from fair competition, particularly among Asian youths. So whenever we are talking about the games, with the games we learn fair competition, we learn discipline, we learn the physical development, we learn the basic principles. Okay, the same thing has been told here. The council would also promote international respect, friendship and goodwill through the organization of various competitions in Asia, one of which was the Asian Games. Founding members of the council determined mean irada karna, that they would uphold the Olympic principles. Uphold mean they will take them with the rules, साथ लेके चलना. Set out in the Olympic Charter. Set out is a phrasal verb. Set out a new trend. He has set out a new trend. Okay, you can utilize this phrasal verb in different things. To this end, all events would seek to encourage respect. Encourage mean हौसला अफजाई करना. These all games will give encouragement to the respect, quality and fair play. Other games organized by the council are the Asian Winter Games from 1986, Asian Beach Games from 2008 and the Asian Youth Games from the 2009. These different categories has been given here, that these games started from this era, from this time period. Among the sporting disciplines in the Asian Games are a number that have their roots in Asia and have yet to make an appearance in the Olympic Games. These are Kabaddi, Karate, Spectra and Wushu. These are the different types of games. If you haven't seen these games, you can go and Google them. For example, Kabaddi, maybe you have seen. Karate, maybe you have seen. If you haven't seen, you can type them and you can Google them. Then you can see the Wushu games and Spectra Craw and Karate and Kabaddi. The inclusion mean मदाखलत, किसी चीज़ में इन्वॉल्व होना, शामिल होना. The inclusion as these sports is significant mean important, अहमियत रखता है. As it showcases mean show off the vast array of sports that are present in the continent and helps to promote cultural awareness. These all games and the discipline and the array of the sport, the vast array of the sport, the significance of games promotes the culture. It gives the awareness in the country or in the behavior of athletes as well. Okay, whenever you are playing, you learn cooperation, teamwork, discipline, rules and regulations. Without rules and regulation, you cannot play any game. Okay, so when these games are played on a countrywide level, it means that countries are more disciplined than the other countries. So till paragraph number 5 we have completed the reading of unit number 6, the Asian Games. So students, you will note down the difficult word meaning on your book. You will underline the important lines as I have done. You can highlight them and you will send me the video of reading of this lesson. And the difficult words which are coming in the lesson, you will write the sentences on the loose sheet and you will show to me. For example, I will highlight the words object, opponents, then here is continent, competition, organize, equality. Then on the previous page we have read some difficult words: inaugural, discontinued, independent. So you will make sentences with these words and you will send me the video of reading of the lesson, the Asian Games, with the right pronunciation. Thank you so much.